Alright, so in this video we're getting ready to install the coating, Opti-Coat Pro Plus. The first layer is Pro. As you can see, I am priming the pad. Now this is important. Priming the pad, it just means putting a lot more product on when you first start than you would use as you each time you do a panel and add product. Covering about a quarter of the pad. And then after that, you'll need a few drops, 6 or 8 or so per panel, just depending on the size of the panel. So the Opti-Coat Pro, it cross-links into the paint. It does not flash or evaporate. Flashing and evaporating is kind of lifting off like a puddle would dry on the concrete in the sun. It evaporates up into the air. This cross-links, which means it actually goes down and in, sinks down into the paint. Begins to disappear and starts to look like an oil slick on water. When that happens, you wait till it's about 80% cleared away, and then you just knock down the remaining high spots. Now, when the Pro Weave towel is used to level it, that towel is not removing the coating, it's leveling it out. It's kind of pushing it around, thinning it out. That towel will never remove the coating. Once it's stuck on the paint there, it's going to stay. So when the Pro is put onto the paint, it usually takes about 60 seconds or so for it to cross-link. It just depends on the weather. The more humid, the faster it's going to cross-link. The drier it is, the longer it'll take to cross-link. So usually for me, it's about 60 seconds to cross-link. I'll usually do about half a panel at a time. And then I'll move on to the other half and let that first half start to cross-link, and then I'll come back, knock it down, and then I'll move to the next half and knock that one down as well. I'll usually do about half a panel at a time, or like half a door at a time. So the first step is Pro. That's what we're installing here. The next step, we're going to do the Plus, which is the super glossy, super hydrophobic step in the coating. This is a 2-step coating. So the clear coat restoration has been done on this vehicle. We also sanded and polished and PPF the headlights, and I'm gonna go ahead and coat that too. I don't think we're going to show that here in this video, but I coated the headlights, put the PPF on as well. But with CCR, obviously you see that glossy black. The reason it looks like that is not because of paint correction, it's because of the CCR, Clear Coat Restore. I've added about 5 microns of clear coat, and now we're coating it to obviously protect that. Now on to the second step. This is the Plus. You see we're using a different applicator. That's a microfiber suede. We'll put 3 lines of Plus down to prime the pad, and then we'll do 1 line each time we have to add product. So the Plus goes on waiting 30 minutes after the Pro is installed. So install the Pro, wait 30 minutes, between 30 minutes to an hour, and then that's the window you have to put the Plus on. If you do it too soon, too late, obviously there's a science behind this, that those are the proper times to wait before it completely cures. And the Plus goes on, and it mixes with the Plus. So the Plus goes on, it mixes with the Pro, and then they both of those products will cross-link down in and into the clear coat itself. So in order to remove this coating, you have to remove about 2 to 3 microns of clear coat. So they both mix together, and then the two mix and become part of the new clear coat. It's now the top surface, at the very top, the very end, if we could say it that way, the end of the clear coat. And this step just adds a ton of gloss and hydrophobics. It was introduced to combat water spotting. You spray your car down with a garden hose and you let it dry in the sun. Sprinkler hits it. Certain areas have certain acid rain. Water spotting is an issue. Now, water spots are generally more easily removed off of a coating than non-coating or maybe a temporary coating. But this helps to reduce them. It also helps when it does happen. Helps you to be able to remove them more easily. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, hit the bell, and keep a lookout for new videos.